Electrical panels require specific clearances to ensure safe access and operation. These clearances are crucial for personnel to perform maintenance, repairs, and inspections without obstruction or hazard. The minimum front clearance for an electrical panel should be 30 inches wide and 36 inches high. This provides adequate space for a person to stand and work comfortably. The side clearances are equally important. A minimum of 6 inches on each side of the electrical panel is generally required. This space allows for maneuvering and prevents accidental contact with other objects or surfaces. It's essential to maintain these clearances from all obstructions, including walls, doors, and furniture. Ensuring that the panel doors can be opened a minimum of 90 degrees is another critical factor. This allows for full access to the panel's interior components. The working space in front of the panel should be kept clear of tripping hazards to prevent accidents. Only qualified personnel should remove panel covers. These individuals have the necessary training and experience to handle electrical equipment safely. While these are general guidelines, it's always recommended to consult local building codes and electrical regulations for specific requirements in your area. These codes may have additional or more stringent requirements.